Okay, here's my setup. See, I've got a green wire bolted to four stainless steel pieces of metal. They crisscross in the bottom. Halfway up, there's a 1-inch ring. I'm using stainless steel all thread as my negative side. Okay, right here is a cheap $5 Harbor Freight voltmeter. I am using a little bitty battery charger, 6 amp, 2 amp at 12 volts. And I'm also using, I think it's an 8 amp, yes, it's an 8 amp power supply. I'm going to switch on my power supply, turn on my little Harbor Freight voltmeter. I should be reading, I'm going to touch my negative all thread. I should be around 6 to 7 volts. Got 6.15. I'm going to go in the water. Now I'm in the water close to my wire. That dropped to 4.16 volts. I'm going to move my lead all the way out to the edge. I'll drop the voltage probably 1 volt to 2 volts, somewhere around there. It's 1.9 volts. I'm going to turn on the little charger. Okay. You can see it's pegged. I should raise my voltage slightly because I'm throwing more amperage through it. So I'm on the bar. Now I'm at 7.33 volts, I'm sorry, in the water. I'm 4.3 volts. Go out to the edge in the water. I'm a little higher, 2 volts, somewhere around there. The washing soda is the flow of electricity. That's how it gets its flow of electricity. It's conductive through there. It makes a negative flow to the positive. Either too much or too little can affect how much amperage your tank draws. The size of the cast iron in the tank can also affect it. I had just got done doing this 14-inch camp stove. I had to dilute my water somewhat because my charger was cycling off and on. I also use a lot of this good old Harbor Freight stainless steel wire that I take my drill and I twist it together for my hanger. It flows really well. Or for heavier pieces, this is a stainless steel all thread. I hope this helps, but you need to make sure you got voltage running through your tank. It could be a bad hook. You don't have a good connection there. Could be not enough washing soda for the amount, for the small size pan you're doing. You just gotta play with it.